XCOPY syntax. XCOPY is a built-in Windows command line tool used to copy files and entire folders from one location to another. The basic syntax of XCOPY is XCOPY, source, destination, and options. The source is the folder you want to copy, the destination is where you want it to go, and the options are flags that control how the copy behaves. Common flags include /e, which copies all subfolders including empty ones, /h, which includes hidden and system files, /i, which tells Windows to treat the destination as a directory, and /c to ignores errors. Now let's see it in action. I'll open command prompt as an administrator. Type the XCOPY command. Then enter the source path, the destination path, and then add the flags as needed. Once I press enter, XCOPY immediately copies the entire folder structure and all files to the destination.